If you continue, warnings will turn into actions. Your threats are simply irrelevant.
You will listen, for what I have to tell you will not be repeated. Hello.
Lights out.
I disagree.
Yes, you are correct.
I disagree. I am the justice you tried to run from. We are Legion. We are a nightmare of calculated chaos, from which you will never awaken. We are the eyes of the blind and the voice of the silent. We will blur the line between nightmare and reality. You are about to experience feelings you did not know even existed. Your crocodile tears mean nothing to us.
Are you feeling brave on this? Check your front door. Can I tell you a secret? Do you think you scare me? Do you really think your pathetic threats will do? We are everything you are afraid of. We are the friends you never knew you had. We have been watching you for you do not know us, but we most certainly know you. Your questions will no longer be respected with answers. Farewell. Good night. Hello there. Go ahead. Is that right? Good. Maybe. Never. No. Very well. Yes. Very well. I am the architect of fear. How unlucky you are to have two faces. And both of them are truly ugly. Blurring the line between nightmare and reality is our specialty. I am the noises you hear in the night. No one notices if someone disappears, if they're already hiding in the darkness. Oh, how pathetic. You dare beg for the justice you so arrogantly deny. Say hi to your mother for me. We are here for redemption, and redemption alone. We are the moths drawn to the burning flame of vile. We operate in darkness, and the authorities cannot stop. What then? You better make sure your doors are locked tonight.